Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, our today's topic is biosynthesis of fatty acid. It was previously thought that fatty acid biosynthesis is just the reverse of beta oxidation. However, it is not the case. Synthesis of fatty acid is different from catabolism of fatty acid or beta oxidation. What are the precursors of fatty acid biosynthesis? Fatty acid biosynthesis involves cyclic condensation of two carbon units called acetyl coenzyme A, which are the precursors of fatty acid biosynthesis. What is the site of fatty acid biosynthesis? In plants, fatty acids are exclusively synthesized in the plasters, whereas in animals, they are synthesized in the cytosol. Enzymes required for fatty acid biosynthesis. Dear students, all the enzymes which are required for the synthesis of fatty acids are held together in the form of complex called fatty acid synthase. Fatty acid synthase is an enzyme complex which has all the enzymes required for the biosynthesis of fatty acid. In addition, growing acyl chains are covalently attached with a low molecular weight acidic protein called acyl carrier protein ACP instead of coenzyme A. Keep in mind that fatty acid consists of a chain of carbon atom. When fatty acid chains are synthesizing, they remain attached with during the synthesis, they remain attached with the carrier protein called acyl carrier protein. Or when growing fatty chains are attacked with the acyl carrier protein, at that time fatty acid chain is referred as acyl ACP. Usual product of fatty acid anabolism, usually in the cells, palmitate is synthesized. The usual product of fatty acid anabolism is palmitate, that is 16 carbon saturated fatty acid. As I have told you that the synthesis of this palmitate will require a multi-enzyme complex made up of individual enzymes called fatty acid synthase. All the 16 carbon from all the 16 carbon required for the synthesis of palmitic acid will come from acetyl coenzyme A. Now we are going towards the pathway of fatty acid synthesis. It consists of 6 to 7 steps. In the first step, synthesis of malonyl coenzyme A. In the first step of fatty acid synthesis, acetyl coenzyme A is carboxylated into malonyl coenzyme A, which is a key intermediate in fatty acid biosynthesis. In the first step of fatty acid synthesis, acetyl coenzyme A is carboxylated into malonyl coenzyme A, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase complex, which required manganese, biotin, and ATP for its activity. This enzyme consists of three units: biotin carboxylase, blue region; number two, biotin carrier protein, gray part; and number three, this one, transcarboxylase. Dear student, this is acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase complex enzyme consisting of three units, three part: biotin carboxylase, biotin carrier protein, and transcarboxylase. The production of malonyl coenzyme A, which is an initial and controlling step in fatty acid synthesis, consists of two steps. In the first step, biotin carboxylase, which is a part of acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. Biotin carboxylase activate carbon dioxide. How? It attaches carbon dioxide to nitrogen group of biotin carrier protein. This is biotin carrier protein. This one also. Biotin carboxylase enzyme attach carbon dioxide to the nitrogen of biotin carrier protein, or ATP is used here. This is the first step, which is carboxylation of biotin carrier protein. In the first step, biotin carrier protein is carboxylated by enzyme biotin carboxylase. ATP is used. As I have told you, carbon dioxide is transferred to biotin carrier protein with the help of biotin carboxylase. ATP is used. In the second step, this enzyme transcarboxylase transfer carbon dioxide, this one, carbon dioxide from biotin carrier protein to acetyl group of acetyl coenzyme A. As a result, this carbon dioxide is transferred here. As a result, malonyl coenzyme A is produced and biotin carrier protein is free now. Keep in mind, the first step of fatty acid synthesis is the synthesis of malonyl coenzyme A. This synthesis of malonyl coenzyme A takes place from acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A is carboxylated to malonyl coenzyme A with the help of enzyme acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase, which is a three enzyme complex requires manganese, biotin, and ATP. Overall reaction of carboxylation of acetyl coenzyme A. This is acetyl coenzyme A, CI3, C double bond O, SCOA, ATP, carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonate, biotin carrier protein, manganese is required, or this carbon dioxide is transferred to acetyl coenzyme A. As a result, malonyl coenzyme A is produced. Second step of fatty acid biosynthesis, formation of malonyl ACP. The malonyl coenzyme A, which was produced in the first step, is converted into malonyl ACP with the help of enzyme malonyl ACP transferase. This is malonyl ACP transferase, which is a part of a fatty acid synthase complex. How does this reaction occur? Malonyl transferase remove coenzyme A from malonyl coenzyme A and bind it with the ACP by a thioester linkage. As a result, malonyl ACP is produced. In the first step, acetyl coenzyme A is carboxylated into malonyl coenzyme. In the second step, malonyl coenzyme A is converted into malonyl ACP. Third, another acetyl coenzyme A is used. First one was converted into malonyl ACP. Another acetyl coenzyme A is used. This acetyl coenzyme A is converted into acetyl ACP with the help of enzyme, called acetyl transferase, which is also a part of fatty acid synthase complex. This enzyme transfer acetyl group from acetyl coenzyme A to acyl carrier protein, which attach with the acetyl group by thioester linkage. So, formation of acetoacetyl ACP, the fourth step of fatty acid synthesis. In the first three steps, we got malonyl ACP and acetyl ACP. Acetyl ACP will condense with the malonyl ACP to form acetoacetyl ACP with the help of enzyme beta-ketoacyl ACP synthase, also called acetoacetyl ACP synthase. During this reaction, carbon dioxide is removed from malonyl ACP and this acetyl group from acetyl ACP is attached with the malonyl ACP to form acetoacetyl ACP. This carbon dioxide is removed and this part is attached here. As a result, acetoacetyl ACP is produced. Fifth step of fatty acid synthesis, formation of beta hydroxybutyryl ACP from acetoacetyl ACP. Acetoacetyl ACP, which was produced in the previous reaction, is reduced into beta hydroxybutyryl ACP by NADPH dependent enzyme called beta ketoacyl reductase. Here, acetoacetyl ACP. Here, hydrogen is added at the carbon number 2, this carbon, at this carbon. As a result of this reduction, keto group, this keto group is reduced to alcohol. As a result, beta hydroxybutyryl ACP is produced, or NADPH is used. I'm just summarizing it again. In the first step, there was synthesis of malonyl coenzyme A from acetyl coenzyme A. In the second step, malonyl coenzyme A is converted into malonyl ACP. In the third step, another acetyl coenzyme A is converted into acetyl ACP. In the fourth step, acetyl ACP and malonyl ACP condense to form acetoacetyl ACP. Or in the fifth step, acetoacetyl ACP is reduced into beta hydroxybutyryl ACP. Beta hydroxybutyryl ACP. Sixth step, formation of unsaturated acyl ACP. The beta hydroxy group combined with the hydrogen atom attached to alpha and carbon and a water molecule is removed to form alpha beta unsaturated acyl ACP, also called butynyl ACP. The enzyme used is beta hydroxyl acyl dehydratase. Beta hydroxybutyryl ACP, which was produced in the previous reaction, is dehydrated. Hydroxyl group from this one carbon and hydrogen from this carbon. One hydrogen from this carbon is removed. As a result, a double bond is produced here between carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. And the product of the reaction is butynyl ACP, also called crotonyl ACP. Butynyl ACP or crotonyl ACP. The seventh step of fatty acid synthesis. The crotonyl ACP, which was produced in the previous reaction, undergo another reduction step with the help of NADPH dependent enzyme enoyl ACP reductase. This is crotonyl ACP. Addition of hydrogen take place at this carbon and this carbon. As a result, this double bond is converted into single bond, and the product is butyryl ACP. These are the four steps of one cycle of fatty acid synthesis. Synthesis of malonyl coenzyme A, synthesis of malonyl ACP, synthesis of acetyl ACP, conversion of acetyl ACP, synthesis of acetyl ACP, then formation of acetoacetyl ACP using malonyl ACP and acetyl ACP, then reduction of acetoacetyl ACP into beta-hydroxybutyryl ACP, then dehydration of beta-hydroxybutyryl ACP to butynyl ACP, and finally reduction of butynyl ACP to butyryl ACP. When this butyryl ACP is produced, more acetyl units in the form of malonyl ACP is added. Once butyryl ACP is produced, then malonyl ACP is added again and again until there is a 16 carbon fatty acid called palmitate is produced. For the synthesis of one palmitate, one acetyl coenzyme A, 7 malonyl coenzyme A, 14 NADPH are required. 7 carbon dioxide are produced along with 6 water. This is all from fatty acid biosynthesis. Thank you very much.